Pardon? Say that again. Can't do heights. Oh my god, we've got to go up again. Come on, let's go. Trip to Ikea with your brother. Southampton Ikea. Luke, do you need anything?
Oh, maybe.
I need.
Goodwill's all men.
I need handles for some drawers, which I forgot to bring with me.
I'll just walk through them. They're probably going to be nicer in the front room.
No, I don't think they do.
Makes me want to go. I haven't been to London tomorrow.
Why?
Dad and I got a gig tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Yeah, in Camden.
Oh. Christmas. Yeah, we could get lunch. The pasta's only like 99p. Oh god. This is really cute. Lana loves these little teddies. Look! Oh my god, look how cute this is. Hedwig, he's cool. How much is he? £15? Oh, Jesus. Oh, look, little acorn. He's £15 too. Oh, look. That looks a bit scary. Look, a little hedgehog. Mummy and a baby, look. How cute. I don't need any more teddies. Lana doesn't need any more teddies. So what am I going to do? Just record and then... How much are they? £9. Jeez. Biscuits? £1.35. Ooh, this is nice.
I bet there's some heavy debates going on at this table.
I really like them.
And it's going to have like a 30-second my trip to like you.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, absolutely.
I like this. I like those pillows. Teddies in cages. That's really soft.
So that's something Mum would wear.
It says throw.
Yeah, but I mean like...
For a sofa.
Yeah, but... Having a wander. Oh god. I only need a couple of things in here. This is a bit much.
A bit green.
It's never a bit green, it's just a light green. It's a push one, isn't it?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Wowee.
Yeah, they're cool, I like them.
Now these are really handy. Especially if you've got these. Grey ones. White ones. Oh yeah, because you've got your records in.
I've got one of the smaller ones. The 2-line one.
Oh look, these have got...
Yeah. All these people know you could be a famous YouTuber.
That's not really the case, is it?
Huh?
That's not really the case. This is really cute.
Well, we monitor for my Mac because I've stopped. I don't like using it.
This is quite nice. Very vanilla-y. What?
No.
Smells like vanilla.
Smells like vanilla. Strawberry and raspberry.
Strawberries and raspberry.
Soft rolled.
Oh, that's quite nice. That's a cute little pot too. Ooh, smooth. Grass. Grass.
Oh.
Ooh.
Are you joking?
Does it not move?
Stuck it down so that they can't play with it.
Ooh. Dining table sets. Oh, I like these.
Christmas.
I like them bowls. What are they?
Tenner.
For 4. What are these?
I've got a whole shop.
Oh, they're really nice.
Yeah, they're cute. I like that. Got bowls.
The bigger
I
bowls.
was gonna say, got fucking bowls everywhere.
No, because the other bowls were little. £15 for a pack of 4.
Yeah.
These are nice. They're nice. That's a nice mug.
Yeah. It's more like, storage.
This is storage.
Fridge storage, like separating stuff in your fridge. And you know where you've got those really techie people on TikTok that like have like boxes left, right and centre? But then I'm also James.
75p for a plate. That's not bad. Obviously, if I had my own home, I would like all of this stuff. However, I don't, and I don't need to buy any of this.
What's that?
I don't know. Some kind of. What is it? Hooks. To hang onto the. Oh, that's clever. To hang onto this. Ah, I see. Makes sense.
Little mason jars. Love them.
Huh?
I love little mason jars.
Yeah, and then you put them on here.
And that's it.
Little. But the question is, do they? Yes, they were. Just. There you go. Gold's nice. Hooks for £5. Silver.
There is nothing I love more than doing the washing up with washing up gloves.
That's yeah, definitely looks like something out of Star Wars. £45. I think they come in other colours as well. Oh, and it changes colour. Well, that's clever. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. £25. Not bad. Good for kids. And the desk is only £19. How much is the chair? £50. I love these Alex straws. The Alex straws.
Oh yeah.
I've got 2 of them for my dressing table, and Liam's got one as well in his room. Little lap desk trays. £19. Got them in white as well. Yeah, it's a moving desk, up and down desk. It's clever, isn't it? Yeah, I can't imagine a worker going to buy me a £550 desk. They're really pretty. I'm doing it now. What does it say? Open me. Maybe you're pulling the wrong bit up.
I don't know.
Nice bed though. I like the bedding. Not sure how much it is though. Oh, that's pretty. £3. Could do with probably another pack of these. £6. They're good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Liam's got them, but hundreds of them. I think I might have to get cake. That's a big. That's a big piece of cake.
Yeah, that's apple pie.
Cream cake with marzipan, strawberry tart, cream.
50p for whipped cream. It does look good.
That was amazing. Coke's a bit sweet.
Coffee's good.
Coffee's good. What did you get? A cappuccino?
Cappuccino. Yeah, I've grown accustomed to cappuccinos more recently.
That's how much it cost, and because we've got the family card, you get a discount. And
So you get
the hot drinks are refillable, so you take that to the machine.
Go down to 50p. That was it.
Oh yeah. Not bad. Not bad. £2.25. Crisps. Oh, I tell you what I do need to pick up actually. Are these. Oh no, it's not them. The dimes. Do they not have dimes anymore? I've got one of them at home. They're handy, aren't they? Oh. Maybe one of these. £1.50. These are good as well. These spinny things.
Lettuce thing, isn't it?
Yeah,
like
but
a washer, isn't
yeah.
it?
Whisk.
One of them.
Oh, it's like a lid.
They're like spit.
Spit-free
protectors.
lids. One of those for like spag bowls and stuff. Better than what I've got.
Yeah, I need to get something like this.
85.
Yeah, I just wouldn't spend that much money.
Oh, it's probably glass top. Oh, glass Tupperware. This is always exciting.
So I look at a lot of the things we make and I go, what the fuck? Spotty plates.
Yeah, they look like someone splattered ink all over them.
Yeah. Grapes whilst I sit there with my golden leaf crown.
Ah, sand tomatoes. They're quite cool. They're ginormous though. Oh, they're tubs. That's clever. What does that do? Pull. Oh, there's twigs, thingies fallen and come off. They must open and close. That's so cool. Oh.
There you go. Please.
That's not bad. Tenner for all of them.
Yeah, that's good. It's actually all right colours.
Yeah, they're pretty colours, aren't they? It's a nice one. Marcus wants another tree, but the cats just chew on them. Yeah, and you've got to be careful, haven't you?
Mine's died.
20 quid. And then a pot.
Yeah, maybe I need to buy.
The guy who I follow on YouTube who does fish, he puts these just straight in the tank and they come out the top.
But they don't flower here, unfortunately.
Yeah, but they're quite nice, just green.
Yeah. Because once you give me a spider plant, I'll never be able to get rid of it.
I always remember Mum and Dad having a spider plant.
Yeah, I remember the spider plant.
In the bathroom. Oh my gosh. I really like the look of these Christmas trees.
Really?
Yeah, I really like the traditional because the one I've got's pink.
Oh yeah, I like traditional. Well, yeah, but no, I mean you want a traditional tree, don't you?
Yeah, I've got a traditional tree. I've got a green tree. Little pots. £1.50. Baby Christmas trees, £10. Yeah, that is nice. That looks really pretty. What's that? £9 for the pot. £15 for the tree. A single branch. What are these? Wreaths. Or you make your own wreath. Buy a £6 one and stick all the baubles on yourself. That's what I did.
Nightmare Before Christmas.
They are £6. And they've got gold baubles that are £9. These are pretty. And £5. Hooks. £1.50. Pack of £6. Some of them are £1.50. Oh, this one's £1.50 for 3 metres. This is £1.50 for this. £3. It's a pack of 2. He is 25p. See? And I see all of them. So there's a tiger, a lion, an elephant, and a panda. They're 25p. And I want them all because they're only 25p. Got a little mouse. He's £1.50. Reshop and reuse. In Reshop we reuse and you can find great pre-loved items and you'll be given Ikea furnishings and second chance as well as loving a new home. He is £7.50. Sharks. He's really cute. So I picked him up earlier. And how much is he?
I don't know. Yeah,
£4.
No. I mean, the idea is really cool.
Reshop and reuse.
I bet it's just stuff that they can't get rid of.
You can't sell. Ooh.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Shower mat.
That's actually kind of cool.
It's quite nice. £4 for a shower mat in the
I like that.
resell and shop reuse. Can't imagine that the shower mats are being reused. Oh, that's nice. £4.
89 quid.
Not with a chair, but
Not with a chair, but
picture print, £1. You've got different ones. No, they all look the same. That's a nice big table. Probably does it open out? No. That's quite nice. That is £275. I might get Lana a little teddy. No, she doesn't need a teddy. She doesn't need any more teddies. Okie dokie. Let's go pay. Let's go pay.
Did you?
I think I'm going to swap them out. That's it. But I think they've swapped the dimes out for them. Biscuits. Love a biscuit. What have they got round here?
Oh my god, it smells like it was.
Taste of chocolate,
Oh, that's like dessert.
butter, toffee and vanilla. Scoops of raspberry, pear and caramel. Sweeties. They look good. They look yummy. And you can buy the dime cake that I had earlier. That's yummy. I've just paid half that for One slice. I've just realised I've been recording all this time. Has my hand been over? No.
No.
Over the microphone. That'd be funny.
You'll pay for this.
Got to pay for parking.
Where did you park? This one, wasn't it? Yeah, you came up one.
Yeah, came up one.
So you'll be over there somewhere.
So that was Southampton Ikea. It's really busy now.